Hi, I'm Greg DeRocher, founder and creator of the Hero at Home relationship, education, and coaching program, where I help firefighters reclaim that hero status at home. I was a firefighter, paramedic, career for 13 years and 5 years as a volunteer prior to that. And over the last 15 years, I've been a student of personal growth and human behavior and really facilitating change in our behavior by studying a lot of different tools and strategies, mostly because I had put my own marriage at risk and was on the verge of losing my marriage because of my behavior. And my path was seeking to understand and transform my own behavior first. And once I learned all the different tools and strategies, I began to realize that there was a need in the fire service, a need that I could fill. Because as a firefighter, I understand the unique challenges and the unique patterns that develop around how we do our job and how we show up at home. And I really am committed through this program, through this website, through this training and coaching series or coaching program, to give you as fellow firefighters the tools and the strategies to where you can start to transform your relationship, get it back to the passion and love that once was there. And we can't undo the past. All we can do is start to grow from this moment forward. And that's what this program is all about. That's what this website is all about. So I encourage you to please enter your name and email now. And what will happen is you'll begin to receive in your email over the next week or so a series of short video clips, 6 minutes or less, where I begin to share some very simple yet powerful tools to begin to transform your intimate relationships at home. So enter your name and email now and begin to turn up the heat in your intimate relationship. I look forward to serving you and your loved ones by helping you reclaim your hero at home.